Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening. My name is Zarisha Iskandar Bizukifli, number match 09 DKM 24F1070. Okay, today our group is going to present about our latest case study recently, which is renewable energy as a green technology practice in Malaysia. Okay, as you can see, this is our introduction. Okay, employing new techniques and adopting environmentally friendly approaches aim at improving efficiencies while reducing negative environmental impact defines sustainability and green technology. It seeks to develop cleaner technologies and smart approaches to reduce pollution and conserve available resources. Hence, renewable energy is a green technology that Malaysia is focusing on the most. It advances self-sufficiency and non-renewable energy dependence and fulfills some of the SDGs. Okay, and now I'm going to talk about our research program. As you can see, we made to we made to research we research and put only three only, which is growing energy demand, dependence on non-renewable energy cause environmental impacts, and need for transition to renewables. Okay, the first one is growing energy demand. Malaysia's economic growth and industrialization have led to higher energy use across all sectors. Meeting this demand sustainably has become a national challenge. Okay. The second one is dependence on non-renewable energy causes environmental impacts. Malaysia still relies heavily on oil, coal, and natural gas for electricity generation. These resources cause pollution and are not renewable. This contributes to global warming, climate change, and ecosystem imbalance. Okay. And the last one is need for transition to renewables. To ensure long-term sustainability, Malaysia must diversify energy sources. First, renewable energy offers cleaner, safer, and more sustainable alternatives. Okay, that's all for our research breakdown. Okay, now I'm going to talk about our objectives, which is there are four objectives that we want to achieve when making this case study, which is renewable energy role, environmental impact, engineering role, and evaluation. Okay, the first one is renewable energy role. Explore the importance of renewable energy in Malaysia's green technology. Okay, Malaysia need to find an alternative for high energy usage. High energy consumption. This means that non-renewable energy need to be less used to save our flora and fauna. Okay. The second one is environmental impact. Examine its contribution to environmental sustainability. Okay. The third one is engineering role. Discuss the role of engineers in renewable energy development. Okay. Last one is evaluation. Evaluate Malaysia's progress and challenges in adapting renewables. Okay, I think that's my part just for now. Now, my friend going to continue the presentation. Okay, thank you.
Now I will continue present this slide and Muhammad Syazul Biar Berkerat and my number metric is 09 DKM 24F1802. For your sustainability, balance, environmental, economic, and social need to ensure present crop without compromising future generation. And for your information, sustainable harmony between environment, economy, and social. And you guys also can look at this model of sustainable table. And now let's discuss about sustainability and green engineering. For sustainability, balancing current energy needs with future resource preservation, primarily through the use of renewable energy to reduce fossil fuel dependency. And now let's discuss about green engineering, the design and implementation of systems that are efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally sustainable throughout the life cycle. And now for in Malaysian context, Malaysia promote renewable energy from solar, hydropower, and biomass through government industry collaboration to achieve sustainable development goal and achieve energy autonomy. Also, sustainability in Malaysia refer to achieving balanced development that protect the environment, promote social equality, and support long-term economic growth. As a developing nation with abundant natural resources, Malaysia faces unique opportunities and challenges. And now let's talk about Malaysia Green Technology Master Plan. For energy, Malaysia plan to increase renewable energy share and efficiency. And for building, Malaysia encourage green certified building design. And for transport, Malaysia expand EV and biofuel adoption in transportation. And for waste, Malaysia improve recycling and waste to energy system. For water, Malaysia conserve and purify source for sustainable use. And now I will tell you guys about example of green engineering. For solar PV system design, the example for solar PV system design is converting sunlight into electricity using efficient panel. An example for waste to energy plant is generating power from organic or municipal waste. An example for green building design, incorporating energy efficient material and passive cooling. An example for sustainable transport system, design EV charging infrastructure and public transit. An example for eco material development is creating recyclable and biodegradable engineering material.
Greetings. My name is Muhammad Alif Bang bin Abdurrahim Bang, and my matrix number is 09 DKM24F1010. I'm gonna continue on the next slide. Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). The United Nations has set 17 Sustainable Development Goals that aim to promote prosperity while protecting the planet. Renewable energy plays a vital role in achieving several goals. Well, let's explore how renewable energy connects to SDGs and its essential role. Renewable energy contributes directly to several SDGs. For examples, Goal 7, affordable and clean energy. This expanding renewable sources and access to energy. Move on to the next one. Goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. This will developing sustainable technologies and industries. Next, Goal 11, sustainable cities and communities. Supporting urban resilience through clean energy. The next one, Goal 12, responsible consumption and production. This is for reducing waste and resource use. And the last one here, Goal 13, climate action. This will mitigating greenhouse gas emissions. Each of these goals is interconnected. For instance, when we expand renewable energy access under Goal 7, we also stimulate innovation and green infrastructure under Goal 9. Cleaner cities under Goal 11,
depend heavily on renewable systems that reduce pollution. Meanwhile, Goals 12 and Goals 13 shows that responsible energy use and climate action are critical for a sustainable future. To sum up, these goals will guide our path toward global sustainability. All right, so let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna brief about discussion two, role of engineers. So the first one, roles. Engineers are crucial in expanding renewable energy by researching, designing, and maintaining energy system using green engineering principles. In other words, engineers are the backbone of the renewable energy progress. Their role begins with identifying efficient energy conversion methods and evaluating the potentials of natural resources. The next one, innovation. Engineers work to improve system performance, design new materials, and integrate renewable technologies into existing frameworks. For examples, floating solar farms in Sungai Labu and Duran Tunggal reservoirs. Floating solar farm illustrate that engineers utilize available water surfaces to generate clean energy while reducing land use and evaporation. Through such innovations, engineers help optimizing the resources and drive progress in renewable energy. The last one, policy and community. Beyond technical roles, engineers contribute to policy, advocacy, and community programs to ensure the benefits of renewable energy reach the public. Engineers also influence how renewable energy is adopted by working with policymakers and communities. They help create effective regulations, raise public awareness, and promote clean energy initiatives. Right. Move on to the next or the last slide of these presentations, the conclusions. To sum up, Malaysia's Green Technology Manifesto is anchored on green energy to attain enduring improvement, protect ecosystems, and lower carbon emissions, while also aiming to furnish energy that is secure, clean, and available for the future. Engineers are pivotal to this, solving design and innovation problems, promoting advocacy, and educating end users of the technology. The dedication of the country to this primary goal is positioning to pull Malaysia to a level of true sustainability. This is largely this is largely the result of the commitment of these professionals and increased investment and strategic changes to the policies. Alright, so before I conclude, these are the key sources that we use in preparing our case study and the presentations. Alright, so that's all from me and my team members. Thank you so much for watching.